Hi everybody, Diane here from California Tea and Herbal, and it's about 80 degrees here in Southern California today, so I'm doing a fall drink, and yet it doesn't quite feel like fall. But if you're in a colder area, you're going to love this, and it is a very, very simple recipe, which people also like. So this is going to be a, quote, tea cider, and trust me, this is delicious. So every recipe that I show you, I've already tried, and this is a goodie. Let's get started. Alright, so the herbal we're going to use for this is called Fruit and Spices, and it is a beauty. You can see, and then you'll see me putting it into the pan, but the ingredients here are apple, hibiscus, rose hips, mango, cinnamon, clove, ginger, and natural apple flavor. So all you're going to need for this wonderful kind of mulled apple cider tea is any kind of apple juice, a natural apple juice, no sugar added, just the apple juice. That's sweet enough. And then 1 tablespoon of this wonderful fruit and spices. Alright, here we go. You just put for an 8-ounce cup, and you can proportionally make as much as you want here, but for an 8-ounce cup, just bring your apple cider, 1 cup of apple cider, 8 ounces, just to the simmer, and then add your 1 tablespoon of this wonderful fruit and spices, and cover it, and set the timer for 5 minutes. Alright, our timer just went off, and there is this beautiful mulled cider tea. So let's strain it, and then we'll taste it. Okay everybody, I hope you enjoyed that really simple recipe for this spiced mulled tea cider. I like simple recipes, I know you do too, and the proof is in the taste. This is really a perfect fall beverage, and if you prefer iced or cold over hot, do not pour this one over ice, please. It should not be diluted, so just let it get chilled in the refrigerator. Well, that's it for this time. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and also if you liked it, please put a like on and share this with your tea loving or tea curious friends. So until next time, bye for now, and we'll see you soon.